Here is how you can get email on iCloud using your iPhone. So let me explain it all. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so at first we have to get over to the settings, and at the top of the list we have the profile picture with your profile information. So you can get inside like this and proceed to the iCloud right there. So as you can see, I have the basic plan. It's almost full, but what I'm interested in is if I scroll down below, I see the mail right here. So if I click on mail, right, I can see it right there. For me, it is turned on, but most importantly, we are interested in the email addresses, right? So if you don't have it, you will have the button right here to create it. Since I already have one in there, I can actually use it, but I can as well tap on the addresses below and perhaps set up a new one. So if I click on add the alias, you can see that you can literally select the @icloud.com email address. So you can choose some kind of name or whatever else you want, right? So let me just choose the Foxtecc tutorials, or, you know, something as an example, right? Like this. So I can go through it and create like a new iCloud email address. And that's like the whole point behind it. It might take a while because we are literally creating a new email address right there. And you can see this is like the account which I can use, right? I can delete it if I want to, or I can disable it, right? But then it means it's just usable. So if I go to the mail app like this, I will have the ability to use different mailbox, right? So as you can see, I have a couple of different mailboxes. Another one for iCloud is definitely right in here. So that's the whole point behind it. You'll be able to access it directly from the mail app, and you can use the one which you just created. So I hope it helps. That's how you can manage it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you later in the future uploads.